How are you? Are these your designs?
Yeah, so everything's all hand-drawn.
Oh, hand-drawn?
Yeah.
Things then?
Catching flights, not feelings, man.
Oh, hey.
Remember that.
Whakalawhātua mako, mawhala kai. I'm here at the Hakupu festival. Come again, support the village, my dad's village. Sounds pretty busy. I just went and parked across the road. The gate was closed, so I have to walk. Couldn't be bothered driving around. But yeah, I'm gonna go and try and see if I can get some footage, see what the stores look like. Okay, hiya, mawhala. If you're watching the vid, put a like or a comment. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay, go for the video. Whakalawhātua. Whakalawhātua. The people. Brother, this famous guy.
Come down, celebrate Hakupu. Our people, always beautiful when we have times like this to come together as Niue people. And I'm really blessed to see all these vendors, all these people coming together to celebrate Niue culture. So, always blessed.
Oh, sharp, bro. Hey man, congrats on all the media stuff, bro. PMN.
Thank you, man. Nah,
That's mean.
Yeah. I work at Oceania Football now.
Hey.
Yeah, bro. So I've been working as a media officer there.
Yeah.
Travel around the islands, bro. Deliver media officer, all these tournaments and all that sort of stuff.
Oh, hey.
Bro, last year I went to like Tahiti twice, Samoa.
Yeah. Yeah. See you, brother. All right, that was Whakalawhātua. How's the store going?
I'll tell you what I brought from Felicia's store.
Yeah. Let's go have a look. We'll have a look. Did you buy something?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? What?
From here, but I've already taken it away. They said that no one else could buy it.
Oh. You already bought it? All good?
I already bought it, but yeah.
Awesome.
I'm gonna buy that.
Yeah? Yeah. Oh, nice. Have you been busy today?
Very busy. Flat tax, all this stuff out here.
Wow. I'm just going around doing the videos, yeah. Anything you like?
Mango sago, but it's already sold out.
Mango sago.
Coconut bread, pretty much selling out. The lamb curry from that store, I think it's almost sold out.
Oh yeah? We'll just go walk around, eh? Yeah? Yeah, how long have you been here for?
We came here like early this morning to set up the store.
Yeah.
Apple covered in mango powder.
Oh, we'll just go around and I'll come back and buy some stuff, eh? Whakalawhātua. Oh, that's Lexian, eh? Sorry. This one. Mango sago was good. Someone's making it, eh?
Yeah.
Hey! Catching flights, not feelings, eh?
Catching flights, not feelings, man.
Oh, hey.
Remember that.
Cuz, how are you? Whakalawhātua. Oh, Lisa. Whakalawhātua.
Hello.
Hey, So good. Oh, that's nice. No more in the house. Nice to see you. Good, good. What are you guys selling?
Bag support.
Are you the supporters? Oh. This is my Auntie Juanita and Auntie Eliza. Supporting the cuz, Lena. Here's my auntie. Okay, here's Auntie Uso. Uso's just arrived probably from work. Auntie Uso, good to see you. Good to see you. Okay. Got some Axel art. Some nice artwork. Are these all your designs? Are these your designs?
Yeah, so everything's all hand drawn.
Oh, hand drawn. Ah, these are all hand drawn. Wow. Cool. Maxo. Alright. Okay, we're gonna go around. Got the coconut bread. Transfer. Coconut bread. That's from my creative hub. Batu. Oh, look at that. Wow. Did you draw this? Did you? Oh, what's your husband's name?
Rex.
Rex. Bread brother. How are you? Brett, what have you been up to since how long now?
Painting, Australia, painting some more. This year was Geraldine's idea to put all of the villages on it.
Right.
Because I know each of the villages, but not everybody does.
What's that?
I know all the villages.
Yeah.
No, not everyone knows.
Yes.
But the young ones,
Yes.
the young ones come in and go, oh, what's that?
True, true.
Now they can see it.
True.
This one here represents the morning. When the sun comes through the leaves, so when you're in the forest, when you're under a banana tree, whatever, the sun comes through and shines through the leaves,
Yeah.
you're underneath. So just imagine you did your amonga last night.
Yeah.
Then in the morning you check the trap. First light, that's when you check the trap. So just
Oh, true. Gosh. This is me.
Ainda posso passar for the matua, please. Maybe two of our country mata, Hakupu, Auntie. Congratulations, you have won.
This is harder than I thought. Dang.
For the players to everyone, we're currently here at the Hakupu Festival here in Manukau. We're here, we have our arm wrestling set up here just for expression of interest for those, you know, the young ones, the old ones who are keen to come and try out. And we also run a club out in West Auckland, in Henderson. So if you're keen, you can like hit up our socials.
Hi guys.
On Savage Stallion on Facebook and on Instagram, and we also have arm wrestle club south these ways it's fresh meat, so if you're like if you're residing in Southside, we can give you their details if you want to join any club. And we also have the ones that are in the city, arm benders. They're based in Victoria Park, so if you're central or to the city, so we got you guys covered from the south, the west and the central city kind of thing. But yeah, it's a very niche sport, but we're trying to get grow it more with the women too, as well as the men, but also the women, because we need more of the women. I know they're so intimidated when they see the guys, they're like, oh no, it's not for us, but it's not just with the arm, it's about your arm and your weight. So, and then you learn all the techniques and stuff, but yeah, our Savage Stallion arm wrestling club has been going for just over a year, from March last year, and yeah, so me and my husband are the founders in the Auckland branch, Savage Stallion, and then we have our brothers and sisters out south on Fresh Meat, Tess and Camp Charles. So yeah, so if you're keen to come and try it out, I don't know how much time we got left here, but come on down to the Medical Tennis Centre where the velodrome is. Come and give it a go, or come and check out all the other stores that we have here today, celebrating our Hakupu festival. And yeah, thank you guys.
Good. Oh, family affair. Oh yeah?
Good bargain.
Is this all you guys?
Yeah, this whole store around here.
What was the store? This is my sister's store, Pacifica Proud. I'm at the pretty Pinione store, and I got Lexian, famous Lexian. Eke Hakoi, what are you up to?
Just doing my sifahili. Wait, whoops.
Wow, I heard you sold out this morning.
Sold out by 11. A lady saw this one, she saw this one, but another lady had already bought it, so she asked, oh, can you do 2 pairs? I'll take them to Australia. So I have to make 2 right now. Yeah.
Gee.
That's a pair already. Hihi and Gorman. Real Hihi Niue. 24 karat magic in the air.
Wakaelahi. You got any advice for people wanting to learn the language?
Go do it.
Yeah.
Go do it. There's heaps of classes I know out there. There's a class run at the Central Hip Community Centre, Kitchener Road. Go check out the Auckland has a website for that. There's also, you can also check out the Centre of Pacific Languages. One of the workers there, local, she and some of the other Niue people here have started a Niue language class. Yeah. Be keen about it.
Yeah.
It's good to keep our culture alive.
Yeah.
I know some are saying that it's a dying culture.
Yeah.
I don't like to say it's a dying culture, because if it's a dying culture, we wouldn't be here. That this wouldn't be happening. Then this wouldn't be happening. There would be no hihi, no nothing, no crafts, no different crafts, no different food. That's when the culture is dead. As what I know for now, the culture is not dead. So yeah, that's just my thoughts.
Oh, yeah, Hako. Yeah.
Yeah, so the seeds and the shells I'm using cliffside on the sea. This red one is the pomea. I know in Samoa they call it the lopa. It grows on the tree and they grow in bundles. And this black one here is the puka. Comes from a tree, have to clean it with bleach.